Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a Rubik's Cube combo pack. So let's begin. So here's the package that we had ordered, and
there are about 7 cubes in this box, and we are really excited and eager to play with them.
so here we go. There are 7 cubes inside. Can you see? So let's begin with the smallest one. This is a 2x2 cube, if you all can see. So it has a small instruction manual which teaches you how to solve the cube. If you don't know how to solve the cube, you can just read this and learn. Or else you can check out Fabulous Willies. They will definitely post a tutorial in a few days and months. So this is the 2x2. Then keeping it here. So this is the 2x2, and as you can see, it's quite flexible. It's small and it's a speed cube, so it helps you in. See, it's quite fast and smooth, and because it's flexible, it allows you to become faster. Without completing a whole turn, you can just at half a turn only you can complete the moves. See this. You don't have to complete you don't need to complete a whole turn to make the next move. And now we go to the next one, that is a 3x3. We already have one, but it comes along with the set, so why not? And so this is a 3x3 that we got this time. It's like a normal 3x3. It's not as smooth as the previous one. As you can see, it's a little bit rougher than the one that we had. This is a little more smoother than this. So there's that. The next one, that is a 4x4. So this one also has a manual where you can learn, and as I told before, you can check out Fabulous Willies. This is the 4x4. This is from Moyu's. This is the Moyu's 4x4 cube. This is also really fast speed cube. Only downside is, as you can see, these irregularities that kind of restrict the fast motion. So you can't solve it as fast as you would expect it to be. But otherwise it's quite smooth. And now
This is the 5x5 cube, and this also has a manual.
So this is the 5x5. It's the same company as the 2x2 and the 4x4, Moyu. And as you can see, it's quite smooth also. It's smooth, and you can see that it's not as flexible as a 2x2, but it's still a speed cube. It's not magnetic though. So this is a cube, cube. It's also called a cube puzzle cube. We have a different model of this, which I know how to solve, but I don't think I know how to solve this. So this is how it looks. And it's pretty cool. So this is the cube, as you can see, and this is a little rough, and I don't know how to solve the. And, we have a cube there, but that is a Fisher's cube. So yeah, but it is really cool. And now we go on to the next model, that is the pyramids, which I already have one. We already have one of these. And this is quite smooth also. So, and now because we have two, we can have an actual race with us.
Okay.
So this is the pyramids. We already have one there, and we got this as a part of the set. And this is also quite smooth. Like, this is not fast forwarded, but like you can see, it's quite smooth. It's see, it's not that flexible. No, these edge pieces are flexible, like these. It's quite fast also. So this is also pretty good.
And this is another triangle puzzle. It looks like this.
This is the master morphics. So let me just focus on it. So this is also quite smooth, and this is how it looks when it's scrambled up. And I think it's like pretty cool. Like, I still don't know how to solve this, but I'll definitely learn in the future. And it's not that rough, it's quite smooth only, so I like it. And finally, last but not the least, it's the Mega Minx. It's quite big, it's bigger than the rest. And this is how it looks. Even this has a manual on how to solve it, but so this is how the Mega Minx looks. Last but not the least is the Mega Minx, which looks like this, and this is a speed cube as well, and it's quite smooth, as you can see. The only thing is that when I try moving these upper layers, my hand automatically rotates the bottom layers. Yeah, but it's pretty cool. I think I know how to solve like most of it except for the last layer, but I'll learn and make a tutorial on this as well. And all these are speed cubes, so these are really smooth and helps you solve them faster. And we are really looking forward for the next race that we are going to be having with these new cubes, and also the tutorials that we'll be making in the future.
Very soon we'll learn how to solve these cubes and make many other videos.
Thank you guys for watching. Do consider yourself subscribing to the channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and also comment down below which is your favorite cube. Thank you. So this is our collection so far. Hope you like it.